Can't seem to find a place to fulfill your DIY desires? Introducing 365greetings.com, your one-stop destination for all your DIY needs. As a buyer, you will be able to create your very own personal account. You will also be able to select from a wide array of products based on your interest. What more, you will also be able to request for assistance by getting in touch with our team. Let's go look at birthday cards, for example. Here you are provided with a range of birthday cards from different sellers. This birthday card, for example, comes with these items. Once you've made a selection, you are able to purchase the product now or add it to cart. Let's have a look at the shopping cart. You can check out these items and pay using the available payment method. Further, if you need to get in touch with the seller, you can use the chat service provided by us. And if you need to see the status of your order, you can use the notification tab. As a seller, you too can create an account that will allow you to manage all your orders from one place. Products can be viewed, and new products can be added. Orders that come in can also be managed. A chat system will always be available for interactions with buyers. As 365greetings.com is a mobile web application, it can be used across devices such as the iPad and many other devices without any hassle. Thank you for tuning in. We look forward to having you as one of our very own users. Until then, happy creating.